Hi guys. So I can't show my face because I want to show you how to work your portfolio. But I do want to show you. I hope you had a good 3-day weekend, and I wanted to show you exactly how to do your Flipgrid. You're not going to be with me doing your Flipgrid. You're going to be with Mr. Melendrez. Well, I'm sorry. Hawaii will be with Mr. Melendrez, and Sac State will be with me. I believe that's correct. So I wanted to talk to you. You have your script, and it's called Organized Open House Presentation in every single one of your classes, and it is complete and done. I just wanted to talk to you about two little slides as you go through your script that you might want to take note of before you start videotaping. So the first is introduction. In this slide, you actually introduce yourself in all three classes. You only need to introduce yourself at the very beginning of your video, so you might need to take that out. However, you do need to, in fact, introduce the subject and describe the subject in each one. The other one I wanted to show you is portfolio. Portfolio on slide 5. Now, to show your class, your teacher, your family, to show your parents and your family your portfolio, you're going to actually, here, let me click on Flipgrid. You're going to actually share your screen. Now, this is an old Flipgrid. This is the one we did for Miss Zion, but I needed to get in here so I could record. So let me click record a response. In order to share your screen, hi, you can see me now. In order to share your screen on Flipgrid, you click options, and then it'll say record screen. So you can click there to capture your screen and start recording. Okay, so I just wanted to show you exactly how you can record yourself and show your portfolio to the class or to your family. I hope this helps. You do not have to put subjects in a particular order. You can put first period, the two first periods together, the 2 second, the 2/3, the 2/4. You can put all of mine, all of Mr. Melendrez. That is up to you, unless Mr. Melendrez has specific instructions. If he does, then do it his way. I just wanted to give you these two little tips, and I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye, everybody. Now, wait, I have to close this before I can end my thing. Now I can leave. Have a good day.